So Friday again, I'm going to introduce our C63. It's a 2011 125 edition. As you can tell, it is full black edition replica. Got the full kit including the bonnet on it. It's 507 style bonnet on it. It's pearl white. The paint job, the fit of the kit is amazing. It's got 47,000 miles on it. It's only ever been serviced by Mercedes, so it's in full Mercedes history. It's got the optional carbon wing, which on these cars, when the black edition came out, they didn't actually come with the wing. It was a £4,000 option. That's a genuine carbon wing on the back of it with aluminium strut bars as well. Interior's been done, steering wheel's been done in Alcantara, and the gear selector's been done in Alcantara as well. And it's running on a set of 20-inch wheels as well. So this is us going out for a run in the C63. For anybody that doesn't know, this is a 6.2 V8, normally aspirated, producing late 400 horsepower. This car's never been mapped or having any exhaust mods. It is completely standard. I do like them with a X-pipe put in them, which takes the rear silencer out, but still passes MOT, but just gives it the grunt. So I do like that, but it's not a necessity for me. So yeah, modes you have in this, you've comfort mode, sport mode, sport plus, manual, and then your race start as well, so you can launch control on this. Not all of them have it. It is an optional extra. The sitting position for me, even whenever you set your seat, is really, really nice. I like to sit quite low down. Seats really hug you well. You've got adjustment on the side of the seats as well to tighten the seat and the bolster up, so the bolster can hold you depending on what size you are. Said before, I got panoramic roof, which was a really nice touch. My tin of Monster, which is always with me, as you'll notice by now. Big shout out to Monster, would love some sponsorship. Alcantara wheel, as said before, Alcantara gear knob really makes it feel that wee bit special. In terms of driving, this drives, the nice thing, the idea with the AMG Mercs is they drive like a normal car. They drive just totally normal until you hit the loud pedal, and then you get all the grunt and all the noise. I love the new turbo ones. I have a bi-turbo C63S, which you've seen before, 800 horsepower. But there's something about the normally aspirated. It's got a different sound. It's got a lot of grunt. Very, very torquey as well. Obviously flappy paddles in it as well. So we'll just slip it into manual mode here. Just go down through the gears. Oh, listen to that. Such a sound. Sounds so good. Yeah, this feels really, really smooth. Turn-in feels nice on it. It's obviously rear-wheel drive, so you have to think before you hit the loud pedal, but there's us just off the hitting the apex. Just a quick squeeze up the hill. Oh my god. These things still pull so hard. So much torque and that noise. And I love when you look out through the rear window and you see the big carbon wing. Some people don't like the wing, but look, it's a black edition. That's the way a black edition should be. Well, black edition replica. In my opinion, that's exactly the way they should look. Ride feels firm, but not without breaking your back as such. Feels nice. Seats are lovely. Really, really nice place to be. We have it on our website at $37,995. So it's available now, pretty much. The only thing we'd like to do is refurb the wheels, just a couple of wee marks on them, but we'll get that done whenever the car's sold. So, yeah, that's a quick rundown on it. Just short and sweet today. We're not going to bore you too much with things. It's 2011. It's a 125 edition. There's a full black series kit on it. It's pearl white. Got the 20-inch wheels. Got the carbon rear spoiler. Alcantara wheel. Full Mercedes service history. Really nice car. It's got obviously all your Harman Kardon, Logic 7, Xenon headlights, LED running lights, Bluetooth, sat nav, all the usual stuff you'd expect. So go on our website, lateautos.ni.co.uk, or our YouTube. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also just keep an eye on our TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the usuals. And thank you very much for your time for watching, and we will go back now and give you a rundown on how we're doing with the workshop. There's a lot of work been happening this week. There's a lot happening over the next week as well. So the next video comes out, there'll be a lot more painting done. The inside office will be plastered, our roller shutter doors will be in, all our electrics will be in and wired. So we're definitely getting there now with all the old signs down from outside. We started painting outside, so we're definitely on the uphill struggle now. A few different bits of stock coming in. We have a Civic Type R 2008 FN2 GT with 53,000 miles in Milano Red, so really rare car, really rare miles. 2016 435D Coupe on its way in Japan Red with black leather, which will be it's going to be a stunning car. Possibly have a 16X5 40D coming in as well. So yeah, stock's definitely changing. We, to this date today, from last Saturday, we have sold, I think, 11 cars. 11, possibly 12 up to now, so we're absolutely flying, and that's in between doing what we're doing as well. Our Arch branch is still open as well. It will be closing in the next couple of weeks to allow it to amalgamate into here.